Okay, so today we're going to build this car that's on this picture here.
Okay.
Okay, so now first thing we need is a square. Just a square. Okay, and now we put this piece on here. Now we have to put this one on here.
Speak up.
Okay. What the heck? Was anything in there? Was something in there?
No.
But let's turn the page. Now we need these two. They go on the sides here. Then we need this piece. Then we need the red pieces.
What are those?
They're the tail lights.
Woohoo!
We're doing it! That's funny. It's getting dark somehow. Okay, now we need the front lights. They're called high beams.
What's that?
That's the grill.
Okay.
Okay, so now we need, they say 2 gray ones, but we can use, we can use a substitute piece. Oh, now it's on. And now, look how flat it is on top.
Whoa.
Okay. Okay. Oh, now we keep it flipped over, and then we put these on it.
What are they called?
They're called the axles.
Okay.
And we need one of these ones, and it goes right here. Oh, how does it go? Wow, that was hard. Now we need 2 of these ones. And then we need 2 of these things. Thingamajigs. Thingamajigs. Now we need 2 of these. And then need that piece. Then we need this one, this piece, the roof, and then we need this one and this one. And then we need the license plate. Oh, it's on backwards.
Wow.
And then after this we're done. Whoa. I had no idea what was going on then. Now we need the wheels to go on. Thingies. Ugh. Wow, that one was hard. Surprisingly hard. Now we're done. No, we need wheels. Tires. From Canadian Tire. Whoa! And then
Let's
we're
check
done.
her out. Awesome. Sweet. Good job, Matias. Lay it on the table. Good job.
Ooh. Bye.